Good morning and blessed Sabbath to you all. You see, my topic for this morning is faith that wins when God fights for you. You see, life often feels like a battlefield, doesn't it? You know, some struggles are like the Amalekites attacking Israel in Exodus chapter 17. Powerful, overwhelming, and impossible by human strength. You know, Moses stood on a hill with his hands raised. As long as they were lifted, Israel prevailed. When he grew tired, Aaron and Hur supported him. See, victory came because Israel trusted God and leaned on one another. You see, then there's Jericho. In Joshua chapter 6, God told Israel to march around the city for 6 days, and the seventh time, on the seventh day, then shout. No swords, no strategy, just obedience and faith. You see, when they followed God's instructions, the walls fell and the city was theirs. You see, the lesson is clear. God fights our battles, but we must do our part. You know, sometimes it's prayer, sometimes it's patience, obedience, sometimes it's trusting God or trusting Him when nothing makes sense. You see, faith requires actions, perseverance, and sometimes support from others. So today, whatever Amalekite or Jericho you face, fear, failure, or challenge, stand firm in faith. Pray, obey, persevere, and trust God to fight for you. Because when God is on your side, victory is not just possible, it's guaranteed. Remember Moses' hands. Remember the walls of Jericho. God's power is greater than any obstacles, and your faith invites His miracle. God bless.